Okay, this is a Sun login client, which is basically when you think about this software is in order to control a certain automation system or a certain machine from the remote by this password. You can see the device ID and the long-term temporary ID. So to scan to bind and login, we have two options, and we need to insert the account, add account and the password at that. And the one is the account, and inserting the password, we can directly generate and access the two things in the computer. The first thing is the window, and the second thing is the file. So we can access the window. At the same time, we can access the document inside a given computer. So the computer is connected with the machine interfaces with some software. That software is able to install in order to control the machines, or in order to monitor the machines at that particular installation site. So by the help of this particular software, we can monitor, we can control, we can even take a troubleshooting and like maintenance, remote maintenance